It's estimated that 1 in 5 children suffers from dyslexia, a learning disorder that affects reading, writing, and spelling.
Finding ways to help those children was the topic of a summit in Tupelo today. Our Allie Martin was there and brings us more.
Look for the kid who's struggling this year with time in your classroom.
For Dr. Melissa Thomas, finding ways to help kids with dyslexia succeed is crucial. As principal of Tupelo High School, she wants every student to reach his or her full potential. She also has a personal stake.
I have 2 young ladies, daughters that are 12 and 10-year-old, and both of them are dyslexic, and we are learning as we go.
Dr. Thomas was one of the speakers during the Dyslexia Summit, organized by Tupelo's Regional Rehab Center to inform educators, parents, and healthcare professionals.
So just being aware and knowing what to look for, identifying those students early and getting them the help that they need and accommodating them and providing modifications as early as possible to help them become more confident and more skills-based and more successful.
Early intervention and treatment for children with dyslexia is a community effort. The Regional Rehab Center offers dyslexia therapy at no cost to clients. They've even been able to increase the number of therapists, but the need is still great.
We still have a year waiting list for therapy. And so in seeing that, we started talking to individuals about having a bigger program where we could maybe try to make a bigger impact and help those that might be on our waiting list that need more information. And so that's how this kind of birthed.
TPSD Superintendent Dr. Rob Piku has a son who is dyslexic and says it's important for educators to know different strategies when teaching dyslexic students.
I remember my son, the first time he took one of the Mississippi State tests, coming home and saying, "Something's wrong with my brain, Dad." He was laying in bed crying. Nothing's wrong with his brain, there's something wrong with that test. And there's something wrong with how we administer and prepare for that test. Our children can be successful. Every child can be successful.
Telling your story in Tupelo, Allie Martin, WCBI News.
And if you need more information about dyslexia or therapies offered by the Regional Rehab Center, you can go to our website, WCBI.com.